During an attendance of a 2008 bill container ship for an annual IOPP survey by an ABS surveyor, it was found that an isolation valve had been installed between the separator outlet and the oil content meter. Oily water greater than 15 parts per million could be discharged overboard by closing the valve to bypass the oil content meter, alarms, and automatic stopping of effluent overboard. The original piping drawing did not include an isolation valve and sampling line, and the ship's safety management system did not have instructions regarding purpose or operation of valve. Unapproved modification and possibly illegal operation of oily water separator and oil content meter poses a potential risk for environmental pollution. This can expose ship owners and operators to port state control intervention and detention. Another potential risk is possible fines and criminal proceedings in oil pollution incidents. To resolve the issue, the valve was removed and the piping was reconnected. Operational testing of the three-way valve was conducted in order to verify oil content meter and three-way valve function satisfactorily. The arrangements against approved oily water separator piping drawing were then verified.